let's talk about how to do predictions in Pumas. So for this, I'm going to be using a couple packages of Pumas from as utilities from a dataset, and we're going to do some data wrangling using the DataFrames Meta package. I'll load the same dataset that we've been using so far, the IVSD3, and I'm going to read a population. So this is a simple one compartment model. Here, I'm going to define it. And if I call fit model, it's going to fit my model. Just wait a little bit for it to fit. There you go. And if we take a look at the unique time points that we have in our model, they are 16 element vector. So as you can see, we don't have 13 time points such as 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. We can definitely get a prediction for those time points using the predict function in Pumas. So this is the predict function. I just pass in a model as the first position argument, and I pass in a vector of obs times. This is the times that I want to generate predictions for. So I want to generate predictions from the time 3 hours up to 50 hours, going in step sizes of 1 hour. So if I run this, I'll get back some predictions, and this will generate 2 columns in my This returns an object that I can generate a data frame, and this data frame will have 2 columns, the dvpred and the dvipred. So one uses the population effects, and the other one uses the individual effects. So if you take a look at this, let me just run this again and get some more space. So if we run this, you see that we get for all of our 120 subjects, we get predictions for every time that we specified, so 4, 8, and so on. Now, I can also generate some prediction plots with the subject tick function. This lives inside the Pumas utilities package, and by default, I want to separate and paginate the results, otherwise it's going to be a very big image that I'm going to lose resolution. This returns to us a vector, and if I calling the first element of this vector, you can see we get a nice subject fits here, where the dots are the observed concentrations, and the green line is the individual predictions, and the red line is the population predictions. So using the population effect for this subject. So we get subjects 1 to 4, and if we go to the second one, we get subjects 5 to 8, and so on. So the predict function is a very powerful function in Pumas that it can generate predictions for observation times that you haven't in your underlying data. Then that's how you use it.